Here's how to request rental verifications using RenterFile. On the left side, we're going to be demoing a person who's requesting rental verifications, and on the right is going to be the person who's going to be providing the rental verification. So in order to request the rental verification, you would have to have an account with RenterFile.com. It's very simple to sign up. Just go to RenterFile.com and click on sign up. You'll enter your information and put in a credit card, which we will charge every time you request a rental verification through a website. Now, on the left here, you would go to, once you register, you would go here and click on request rental verification. You would enter the resident's address, the past landlord's information, and then the resident's information. So I already have this filled out just to speed up the process, but what we're going to do is we're going to attach a consent form, and you can request on multiple people in one request. So as long as the landlord is the same, you can request many people. Okay, so once we complete this form here, all you have to do is click on request rental verification. Oh. All right, so let's do that. You can see the rental verification was successfully sent. Now that email was sent out to Yellow Apartments, and you can see that here we have the Yellow Apartments, and they receive an email asking them to provide a rental verification from Green Apartments, which is right here. You can see they already provided the name of a person, information, a link where they can go, and also a consent form that was uploaded, right? This is a demo, but you can see that's all right here. All they have to do is click on verify rental history. If they don't respond within 24 hours, we're going to send them a reminder email every 24 hours until they respond. So let's go here, verify rental verification. They don't, as you can see, they don't have to have an account with us. All they have to do is click on that form, and they'll come in here and fill out the rental verification. You can see the residents are here. If there's multiple residents, they will show up here. The rental address is here, the person who's requesting it, and then the progress bar indicating where the rental verification process is. Okay, so now, before we fill this out, I want to show you right here the person who's requesting rental verification. They have a few options. They can see how many follow-up emails and text messages were responded. They can cancel the request. For example, if there is if the person who applied for a rent decided that they're no longer interested in your rental property, you can cancel it here. You can also edit the request. If for some reason you realize, hey, the email address of the previous landlord is incorrect, you can change it here, and it'll send a request to the new landlord. You can also view the progress. Here you can see that every time we send out emails or text messages, or our staff calls the previous landlord, it'll show up here in the progress. Let me see if I can show you another example here. Yes, you can see all the emails and phone numbers and text messages that were sent are here. Okay, so you can also cancel the request if you need to. All right, so let's go here and pretend that we're the Yellow Apartments right here, and we're just providing a reference about this person. It was a previous resident who moved in, for example, 23. Okay. They moved out. The rent amount was $2,000. What type of animals? Cats. They were authorized. Nope. Let's just say yes. And they made five times 5 day late. They paid, but they were late a lot of times. And they had two not sufficient funds. Yeah, they did. $500. All right, let's submit. All right, so your rental verification about test resident was successfully submitted. They can also provide a survey whether or not they were happy or not, but this is it. So they have completed the rental verification. Now you receive an email, saying, hey, landlord provided rental verification. You can click on here and it'll take you to this page here. And then also you can also refresh here. You can see that it took 4 minutes to provide a reference. You can view a report, or you can just click on the link here, which will take you directly to the response. And you can see everything that the yellow apartments provided is here. So this concludes the rental verification demo. As you can see, the benefits of requesting rental verifications are great. You can find information that you can't find in credit reports and background checks and evictions, because there's things that a landlord will be able to give you that would not be visible in a credit report.